So here is, we have entered 5 different names. Yeah, Ashok. Ashok,
Awesome.
you tell them
Sir,
to
tell me.
reconnect, huh? Because the connection got
What's
disconnected. Huh?
Oh, sorry, sir.
Okay. Just you tell them to reconnect yourself.
Okay, sir. Tell me.
Got disconnected, no?
Sir, disconnected so many.
Because net problem here also, college also, what to do?
Sir.
Some disturbance happened. Now through my mobile I have connected. Okay, no problem. So now I was telling this one. So how to write the constructor? So constructor is nothing but this one. Apple into P, price P is equal to P. So now how to write the method also? This one only, int return price. So once you write this one, I can be able to find out. So apple dot values. So values is nothing but whatever it is stored into the value into the array, that constants of the enumerated data types. So that values will be printing here. So another one is called the, this is nothing but independently have written to find out the name. So values is nothing but entire, it will be stored into the array of the enumerated constants. Now values of is nothing but particular data type in your enumeration data types. So in particular variable name, you can find out the values of. Values is nothing but entire, whatever it is stored into the array of the enumerated data type constants. So that is what the way of writing the program. That is what I've shown here, this example also. So now we'll go for the enumeration inherit forms. So inherit forms is nothing but, so how to write the inherit forms. So now one more example how written here. So let us see the example how to write it, equal, double equal, all these things here. So enumerated apple. So same example only have taken here also. Now class enumerated demo 4 we have taken. So now apple AP, AP2, AP3. So 3 different variable names have taken here. So now system.out.println here. So all are apples constants plus and their ordinary values. So now here is what I have written is the output from the programs are shown here. Here all apples are constants and their ordinary values of first one is nothing but the 0. So that is what the corresponding, already I told you first itself, the default values whenever you are not giving the enumerated data types, so values will be given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So even second chapter also we have learned it. So the default values will be given 0, 1, 2, 3. Apart from this, you have learned in this one C programming also. Now this one is nothing but what, system.out.println. Here all apples are plus and their original values. So that is what is that one. Now for apple A is equal to apple dot values. Now system.out.println A. So A is nothing but first one. So first one is nothing but, so this one, Jonathan. Next is golden Dell. Next is red Dell. Next is wine shape. Another one is called the Portland. So this is values will be printing here. Now plus A dot ordinal. So A dot ordinal values is nothing but what will happen. So the corresponding values will be taken. Now what here is, see here now, golden Dell is 1. So first one is 0, next is 1, next is 2, next is 3, next is 4. So this is the values, default values will be taken. So once you understand this enumeration values, how it will be working, this is first itself I told you this. Once you know this is the way of finding the values. So now here is one more example I have written here. AP is equal to apple dot red Dell. So red Dell is nothing but this one. Red Dell is nothing but 0, 1, 2. So next one is apple dot golden Dell. Golden Dell is nothing but which one? This one, second one. So the value is 2. This is 3, this is 2. So the similarly another one is called the red Dell. Red Dell is nothing but this one, 2. So this is the values will be assigned here. For this also 2, this is 1, this is 2, values will be assigned. System.out.println demonstrate. Now just one if condition we have written ap.compare to. So we are comparing value string functions also. So ap2 is less than 0. AP2 of 2 is nothing but this one. This one is nothing but what, golden Dell is nothing but here this one. So this is nothing but the what value you have taken, AP dot golden del. So is less than 0. So 2 is less than 0 or greater than 0. 2 value is less than 0 or greater than 0. So if it is the condition false,
Greater than
it
0.
will if the condition is true, it will be printing this system.out.println AP plus comes before AP2. So this one will be coming AP2. If it is condition is true, it will be entering this one. Next is greater than AP2 is greater than 0. If this condition is true, system.out.println AP2 comes before AP. So the similarly AP dot compare to AP3 is equal to 0. So AP3 is if it is 3 means apple dot red del. Red del is nothing but this one. This is not equal to 0. So if it is equal to 0 means this will be printing. Otherwise only one empty line will be given. So now AP dot equals of AP2 system dot error will be given, because if this condition is false, this one will be working. AP dot equals of AP3, so system dot out dot println AP dot this one equals of AP3. So just here we have written some of the examples for understanding to what is that called. Some of the string functions also we have used it here. So using enumerated plus string functions also we have used it, compared to, equals, all these the values will be comparison functions also we have used. So these were the output will be coming. So based on that, golden del comes before the red del equals red del equals red del equal to red del. So this is what the AP is equal to AP3. So AP is nothing but AP red del. This is this and this AP and AP3 both are equal. It will return the true. So system.out.println AP is equal to AP3. That means what? So AP is nothing but the first one, red del, is equal to AP3. So another one is also here also, if equals of AP dot equals of AP3, because both are equal, system.out.println AP equals of AP3. So that is nothing but the red del equals of AP3. So now if you want to values means you have to write it of A dot ordinal. So ordinal, if you write it, you will be getting the corresponding values. So if you are assigning directly that one, like apple dot red del, once you assign that, what will happen? It will be assigning the name itself. So values you want, corresponding enumerated data values if you want, you have to take this. Otherwise, you have to take this. This is what the program says. So next one we'll see in the next class. So today class we have seen how to declare the enumeration data types, and we have seen one example. The next one is what happened. Next one is
Value and value.
value and values of you have taken.
Value.
Value and values of you have taken. Next one, what we have given in enumeration, we have given some of the values, and for that values how to retrieve that one we have taken. Another one is how to take the default values plus whether that values enumerated data types, I can find out whether it is equal or less than or greater than values also I can find out. So using the default values. So apart from that, in this we have learned it in enumeration also, how to write the method, how to write the constructor, how to assign the values, and how to write the method name also. This is what we have seen. This is next class we'll be seeing auto boxing and unboxing. So how to write the unboxing and boxing values will be seen. So that is what we'll see in the next class. So that I'll tell you in the next class. So last what I'm saying is laboratory record programs. Whatever I explained, you have to write it. Another 3 programs are there. Tomorrow, next day after tomorrow, I will be telling the 2 programs also. I'll explain. I'll finish up that one. So you make it ready. So already madam has given instructions how to write it. You can buy it, one record book outside itself. You can write it whenever we have done the laboratory programs. The dates you can write it and you can complete it. Maximum all Saturdays only we have done it. If you see your videos, you can find out the dates also. You can correspondingly finish it up. And second assignment, and whoever complete once you do it and send it to through my mail. So once you send it through mail, I can be consolidating. I'll be putting the marks also for assignments. So whenever you are free, you make it your work and send it to us, so that your work also will get over, my work also it will get over. So shall I stop now? So day after tomorrow we'll meet at 9 o'clock only, because second hour sir, Ganesh sir will not be taking first hour. So 9 o'clock I will take that hour. Okay, shall I stop now? Okay, bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.